Hello children, welcome back in Moral Science class. We are doing Unit 8, Honesty is the Best Policy. Today we are going to read the story of the Honesty is the Best Policy. So take out page number 40 everyone. This is a story of an honest student. Let's start the story. Priya was the best student in the whole class. She could spell even difficult words. She used to get perfect scores during each weekly spelling test. And Reena, who sat next to Priya, was also good in her studies. Now see, Priya, she was the best student. She was the very good student among whole class. And she could spell, means she can speak all the spellings, she can read very well even the difficult words. She used to get perfect scores during each weekly test, means weekly spelling tests were held in the class and she used to get the good marks in that test. But one girl, Reena, who sat next to the Priya, was also good in her studies. Now let's start the second paragraph. It was the day of the next spelling test. Priya was very confident in her spelling abilities. Therefore, she did not spend much time for preparation. She knew it would be easy for her. She continuously getting the good marks, she got confident that she knows everything. So there was the again time of test, but she did not spend much time for the preparation, and she thought this test will be easy for her. She can attempt very well. Now what happened in the third paragraph? The test began. The teacher pronounced each word and then repeated it. Everything was good until she spoke immediately. Priya was confused. Her mind was blank. See, in the test, the teacher pronounced the word and repeated it. Everything was going good, but when she spoke immediately, that time Priya was not able to write because she was blank. Nothing was in her mind. Why? Because she did not study. Okay. Next, come on the fourth point. Priya saw Reena writing the word. Her eyes rolled to the right. She saw the word written on Reena's paper and copied the spelling. Now see in the fourth paragraph, Priya, she saw that Reena, she was also good in studies. She was writing that word and she rolled her eyes, means she looked at her notebook and she saw that she has written that word. And when she saw and she copied, means she just cheated from the word from her notebook and she write down in her own notebook. Now fifth, Priya remained tense and nervous. She had cheated for the first time in her life. She thought, is this the way I want to keep my perfect record? What is the use of getting full marks by cheating? Now see Priya. Priya was very good child. She was very intelligent. So she did cheating. Once only she did cheating, but she was very tensed and she was very nervous. Why? Because she did cheating first time. And she just thought in her mind, this is not the good way. This is not the right way to get the good marks, to keep his record very good. So she just imagine, what is the use of getting full marks by cheating? Then she erased the word immediately from her paper. As she handed over the paper to the teacher, she smiled with relief. She thought, so I have lost 1 mark, not my honesty. Then when she was going to give the paper to the teacher, she erased the word immediately from her paper as she and was relieved and she smiled. So why? Because she thought that if she lost 1 mark, then no problem. But she was honest. So if you are honest, then there will be peace of mind. Okay, now she was relaxed. Why she was relaxed? Because she took the path of honesty. So if she could do cheating, she could get good marks, then what is the use of that? There will be guilty in her mind that she did mistake, she did cheating. So you should also learn the message from this story, that you should also be honest. Okay, then only you can get success in your life. Okay children, so now it's your homework, that try to find out the question answers and the back exercise of this chapter. In the next video I will also teach you the question answers. Okay, so that's it children, take care, goodbye.